All right, so here's the trade review from May 16th. Effectively, 30-minute chart, big old ABCD patterns on the 30-minute, goes up, consolidates, breakout, and then comes back and retests that breakout area. Then it goes up again, breaks out through that higher consolidation right there. And then the whole idea is to catch the retest of this breakout. So that happened during the day over here, trying to get the bounce off, which is nothing more than just a retest of the breakout that happened earlier. And this breakout is the breakout of this consolidation, which happens to be also the high of that day. Also happens to be very much right next to the level I'm interested in, the Avi level right there. So going into the 1 minute, there it is. The price came down. It bounced right off the Avi level, right in the vicinity of the top of that high a couple of days ago, which is the high of that consolidation. Waiting for it to really make a good new 1 minute high, and that's the entry. The stop is down there, so wide stop, and the target's way up there and even further. So as this thing goes, then taking that entry, let it go. On the 1 minute chart, it opened somewhere up there. It came down, it kept bouncing off of this area, so I put the green line there. So as the price went into this previous area of support and then turned it into support again, kept bouncing off it, I could move the stop in from down here to up in here. So on the option chart was down here and moved it up somewhere close to break even. And then this big line, this is a key one, going back to the 30-minute. This is the previous day's high, very important level. It was firm resistance. You see it came there. It was absolute high of the day, firm resistance. Even on a smaller scale, of a breakout. But then it dropped below that. So that's firm resistance, watching the previous day's high. And go back to it. Here we go. The previous day's high right there, firm resistance, but came down and bounced off of that intraday support again. And sure enough, that's what led to the big breakout through previous day's high and then the bounce off of previous day's high, the retest. And it's at the retest of previous day's high where I'm truly adding more size, even at the breakthrough of previous day's high, adding more size, and at the retest, adding a lot more size and bringing the new stop down to just below the previous day's high in this area. Basically, if it loses previous day's high, I don't want to be in this anymore. So at this point, got in here, added more here, and the stop is just below somewhere there. You can see where it is on this chart, somewhere there, just about. And then it runs for the target. I got that green line because I identified just before getting to the target, that green line is a bit of an area of chop. That's what it was in the pre-market. Let's see if we can spot that here. Yeah, it's up in there. You can hardly see it. On the 1 minute, you could see it in the pre-market. So I put the green line there. Figured let it get into this area, and that's it. I'll be out of there. And sure enough, it got there, started messing around. And that's the whole thing, getting scaled out. Just leave a little bit, and that was that. So that's the whole thing. Now, don't ask me again. Just watch this video again. Thank you.